Have you ever thought about earning while playing games? Welcome to an exciting era where the thrill of gaming converges with the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Picture this: the adrenaline rush of your favorite video game, now powered by the transformative prowess of blockchain technology. It's a shift that's reshaping the gaming industry, introducing new opportunities for players and investors alike. Enter Games for a Living, or GFAL, a visionary project at the heart of this revolution. GFAL is not just a game, it's an ecosystem that combines the captivating realm of gaming with the financial potential of cryptocurrencies. It's a platform where every headshot, every race won, every monster defeated translates into real-world value. We're talking about a model that rewards your skills, your strategies, and your passion for gaming, turning them into a potential source of income. Imagine a world where gaming is not just a hobby, but a way to earn a living. That's where Games for a Living, or GFAL, comes in. So, what exactly is GFAL, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. Games for a Living GFAL is a unique project that combines the thrill of gaming with the groundbreaking technology of blockchain. It's more than just a coin or a token. It's a whole ecosystem designed to change the way we look at gaming. GFAL's mission is simple: to make gaming profitable for gamers. Yes, you heard it right. GFAL wants to reward you for playing games. Now, how cool is that? The GFAL project works by leveraging blockchain technology, a decentralized and secure system that's revolutionizing the way we conduct transactions. By integrating this tech into the gaming world, GFAL creates an environment where players can earn tokens for their gaming skills and achievements. These tokens, aptly named GFAL tokens, can then be used within the GFAL ecosystem. Now let's talk about these GFAL tokens. These are not just any regular tokens. They're the lifeblood of the GFAL ecosystem. They are used to reward players, yes, but they're also used for a variety of other things. For instance, they can be used to purchase in-game items, access exclusive content, or even exchange for other cryptocurrencies. But don't get it twisted. GFAL is not about creating a virtual gold mine. It's about recognizing the value of time and skill gamers put into their passion. It's about making gaming more than just a pastime, but a profitable venture where every headshot, every race won, every castle built contributes to a gamer's financial success. The beauty of GFAL lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel, but rather, it's using existing technology to enhance the gaming experience, to reward the millions of gamers who dedicate their time and effort into honing their skills. In essence, GFAL is all about making gaming profitable for gamers, not just game developers. It's about leveling the playing field and giving power back to the players. After all, without the players, there is no game. Now let's talk about GFAL as an investment. The Games for a Living project, or GFAL in essence, marries the worlds of gaming and cryptocurrency. It's an investment opportunity that's been quietly gaining momentum in the background. But what makes GFAL a potential game changer in the investment world? To begin with, let's take a look at its performance so far. GFAL has been showing steady growth, a sign that it's gaining acceptance and trust within the gaming and crypto communities. This consistent growth is a strong indicator of its potential as a long-term investment. But performance alone doesn't make an investment worth your while. Let's delve a bit deeper. The growth potential of GFAL is underpinned by the rise of two major trends: the surge in gaming and the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies. The global gaming market is expected to reach over $200 billion by 2025, and cryptocurrencies are becoming more mainstream by the day. GFAL sits at this intersection, poised to capitalize on these trends. Now let's consider the unique value proposition that GFAL brings to the table. GFAL isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that aims to revolutionize the way we game. It allows gamers to earn while they play, transforming gaming from a hobby into a potential source of income. For investors, this means that GFAL is not only an investment in a cryptocurrency, but also an investment in the future of gaming. But like all investments, GFAL comes with its own set of risks. The world of crypto is volatile, and the gaming industry is highly competitive. As such, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. So if you're a gamer or an investor interested in the gaming industry, GFAL might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. It's a chance to be part of a project that seeks to redefine gaming and in the process offers an exciting investment prospect. So, is GFAL worth your time and money? We've journeyed through the realms of gaming and cryptocurrency and specifically explored the innovative GFAL project. It's clear that GFAL is not just another token in the crypto landscape. This project is pushing boundaries, bridging the gap between gaming and digital currencies, and adding an exciting new dimension to both worlds. As an investment, GFAL presents an intriguing prospect. It's a unique blend of gaming and finance, and its potential for growth is palpable. If you're someone who values innovation and loves to be at the cutting edge of technology, GFAL could be a worthy addition to your portfolio. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is always evolving, and GFAL is at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. So give it a thought and maybe, just maybe, you might find yourself gaming for a living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts.